From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your Eastern Mountains Neighborhood Forecast.
Well, as expected, pretty active day out there yesterday afternoon and evening. Take a look at the radar image here from about 6:30 yesterday evening. And you can see a lot of lightning strikes down in southeastern Plumas County. Didn't quite see much at this point around Susanville, but up north was where we started to see it. But then that activity shifted southeastward, and especially out near the Boerne area and, of course, south and east of that, we saw a lot of lightning strikes in this general area here around Boerne. Again, let's take a look at that loop again. You can see Boerne. Then it made its way over Lassen Park and just kind of clipping Chester. But overall, most of that activity was to the north and west of you. Take a look at what we've got going on here. Showers and thunderstorm chances through Wednesday. That all being said, I think Wednesday, there's a very good chance I may be taking out the chance for thunderstorms. I'm still keeping it in there at least this morning. But check in again this afternoon if you have any plans for tomorrow, because we're going to have to keep a close eye on the potential for more thunderstorms. Highs near 100 degrees this weekend, not as hot as we take you into next week. All right, so that's what it looks like here with your trend. You see how temperatures are just slowly climbing. We're back up to about 98 degrees on Saturday for Susanville, but then temperatures slowly dropping after that. Still pretty warm, but at least we're not going to see this prolonged period of temperatures near 100 degrees. That's what it looks like today. You got chances for showers and thunderstorms again, but should be dry in Paradise with a high of about 84 degrees. Here's a look at that area of low pressure to our east now, but that's what was responsible for some of the thunderstorm activity we did see yesterday, and this is what it looks like today. Now, one thing you'll notice here as we go into today, we're not going to see as much activity. We're starting to see less and less of the instability out there, and that means chances for thunderstorms are going to be slimmer. Now, we take you into this evening, and yeah, we could see a pop-up thunderstorm here and there, but overall, it's going to be much less intense. This is 10 o'clock tonight. Maybe a little bit of activity northeast of Susanville, but overall, it's drying out at this point. Let's take a look at Wednesday morning. Kind of setting the stage for those thunderstorms to pop up. And there you can see Wednesday, 2 p.m. Yeah, we could see a stray shower or thunderstorm, but you see how it's just not as intense, not as much activity out there. So those chances are getting slimmer. And then by Wednesday evening, it's all pretty much gone. And let's talk about Thursday now, because Thursday is when I expect it to be 100% chance, basically, or should I say this? I feel very confident that I'm not expecting to see really much in the way of any thunderstorm activity or even showers on Thursday. And of course, we look at our future cast here as we extend on into the weekend and even into next week. We're not going to see anything popping up here. That's Sunday. We take you into Monday of next week, Tuesday of next week, still looking at those dry conditions. You see a bit of activity off in Nevada, but overall, we're going to be looking at those dry conditions. Here's what it looks like today. We got the chances for showers and thunderstorms. Now again, as we typically are seeing, Shingletown southward into Paynes Creek, we're looking at dry conditions. Out in the Lake Almanor area, Chester about 79 degrees, 75 for Lake Almanor Peninsula, and then there you can see Westwood about 74, and a chance for showers and thunderstorms. Not everyone's going to see it, but that chance is going to be out there. Let's take a look at southward here. There you can see Portola about 72. We've got about 84 in Paradise with sunny skies. Beautiful there. But we could see some thunderstorms popping up around Susanville and Greenville. All right, speaking of Susanville, let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. I'm including that chance on Wednesday. But again, keep in mind, it's a slim chance. It depends on where you are. There's a very good chance many of us won't even see a drop of rain by tomorrow. And then Thursday through the weekend, it's drying out. It's warming up. Close to 100 degrees by Saturday and Sunday.